Good morning everyone. Today we are here to discuss chapter 7 coordinate geometry exercise 7.2. So first of all I am discussing the section formula. Now if you are having any two points A and B, that is A is x1 y1 and B is x2 y2, and you are given a point P that divides this AB internally, and that is xy divides, this is point P, divides AB internally in the ratio m ratio n. And then if you have to find the coordinates of this point P, that is xy, for this we are having a formula, that is x is equals to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and y is equals to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Now I am telling you a simple trick how you can learn it very easily. So this is m. If you have to find a, this is m. M will be multiplied with a number that is far away from it. So m will multiply with x2. So m x2 and n x1 upon, you will have to add the ratio, that is m plus n. Then comes y. In the similar manner, m will be multiplied with the coordinate of y that is far away from it, m y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. Fine. Then the second topic come in this chapter, this exercise is coordinates of midpoint of AB. That is, you are given 2 points A and B, and if you have to find the midpoint of it, it's very easy. Add them. It is x1 plus x2 and divide by 2. Similarly, for y coordinate, it will be y1 plus y2 divide by 2. Now let us solve the exercise. Of this exercise 7.2, given to you is that you are given the points -1, 7, and then comes 4 and -3. You have to find the coordinate of the point which divides the join of -1 and 7, 4 and -3 in the ratio 2:3. Fine. So this is your A and this is your B. That is, this is your A and this is your B. Now you have to find, this is -1, 7, this is 4 and -3. Let this be any point P, and it's dividing in the ratio of 2:3. And you have to find this point P. Let P is x, y. Fine. So from here x will be equals to, that is, this 2 will be multiplied with the far one, that is 2 into 4 plus 3 into -1 upon, we will add the ratio, that is 2 plus 3. So your x is equals to 2 4s are 8, 3 into -1 -3 upon 5. So your x is equals to 8 minus 3 is, that is 5 by 5. So your x is equals to 1. Now you have to find y also. So y is equals to 2 into -3 and this 3 into 7 upon 2 plus 3. So your y is equals to -6 plus 3 into 7, 21 upon 5. Now you are having y is equals to 21 minus 6 is 15 by 5. So your y comes to be 3, or you can say the coordinates of this point is 1 and 3. So this is your answer. Now we are going to start question number 5. In question number 5, you are given that 2 points A and B, and you have to find the ratio in which the line segment joining A and B divided the x-axis. That is, it is divided by x-axis. So we have supposed that point P, this is x0, and we have to find the ratio also. So we have supposed that the ratio is k:1. Now here we will apply the section formula. That is, our point P is equals to, that is, we will multiply this k with -4 and 1 with 1 only upon k plus 1, and another one is k with 5 and this one with minus 5 upon k plus 1. Now this point P is x0. So x is equals to, or we can say that this point P is x0 and this is equals to minus 4k plus 1 upon k plus 1 and then 5k minus 5 upon k plus 1. Now what we have to do? We will compare. That is this x is equals to minus 4k plus 1 upon k plus 1 and 0 is equals to 5k minus 5 upon k plus 1. Now this 0 when goes to this way, it will be 0 only. So we can say that 5k minus 5 is 0 and 5k is equals to 5. So k will be 5 divided by 5, that is 1. Now we can put this value of k or 1 over here. So x will be minus 4 into 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1. That is minus 4 plus 1 upon 2. Your x comes to be minus 3 by 2. So what is your answer? Now the coordinate of P is x0. So coordinate will be minus 3 by 2, 0. And this is minus 3 by 2, 0. And you have to find the ratio. So your ratio will be, ratio is k ratio 1. So your ratio is 1 ratio 1 only. This is your answer. Now in question number 7, you are given AB as the diameter, the coordinates of B is 1 and 4 and D as the center of the circle, that is 2 and minus 3. You have to find the coordinates of A, that is the xy. As you know, D is the center of the circle. So here we will apply the formula for the midpoint. Now D is the, you can say D is the center of the circle. So here we apply the formula for midpoint, that is 2 minus 3 is equals to, formula for midpoint is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So it will be x plus 1 upon 2 and then comes y plus 4 by 2. Fine. So it will be 2 is equals to x plus 1 by 2 and you can say minus 3 is equals to y plus 4 by 2. Fine. Now this will be equals to 2 2s are 4. So x plus 1 is equals to 4. From here x will be 4 minus 1, 3. And here y plus 4 is equals to minus 3 into 2 is 6. So y is equals to 6 minus 4, that is 2. So your points of A is 3 and 2. This is your answer. Fine. Now in question number 10, you are given the coordinates of A, B, C, D and here the ABCD is a rhombus. You have to find the area of rhombus. Now as we know, the formula for area of rhombus is half into product of diagonals. So the first thing we have to find the diagonals. Here diagonal is AC and BD. So first of all we have to find AC with the help of distance formula. 3 minus minus plus 1 whole square, 0 minus 4 square. So 3 plus 1 is 4 square and 0 minus 4 square is 4 square only. 4 square is 16, again 4 square is 16. 16 plus 16 is root 32. So your diagonal AC is 4 root 2 units. Then we will find BD with the help of distance formula. 4 plus 2 whole square, 5 minus minus plus 1 whole square. So 6 square plus 6 square, 36 plus 36. That is root 72. So your BD comes to be 6 root 2 units. As you have to find the area of rhombus, it is half into D1 into D2. Here D1 and D2 are the diagonals. So half into 4 root 2 into 6 root 2. So here you are having 4 6 are 24, 24 into 2, 48. 48 divided by 2 is 24 square unit. So this is your answer. Thank you and have a nice day.